Hello YouTube. I've been having trouble with my heater control on my PT. The cable was bent and the reason it was bent was because that big round cog way back there was frozen. So what I did, I sprayed the heck out of it with WD-40. And I also sprayed WD-40 right down in the vent, right there. That way it would reach the cog. I had to unfreeze the cog at first by manually reaching my hand back there and moving it. Now how I got rid of the bend, thanks to some YouTube videos. How I got rid of the bend, I straightened it out with pliers. And I put super glue on it. And in the process, you can see I broke the control. What I plan to do there is use a Quicksilver or JB Weld Bond, and I'm just going to surround it with that and put it in. As you can see now, it flows pretty freely now. But just that big old cog back there is greasing. And just spray the heck out of it with WD-40 and you should be good. I hope this helps out somebody, and I want to thank all the other people for different bits and pieces that I got out of the other videos in order to fix my problem, because what I did do, you always heard the story, if it's stupid and it works, it ain't stupid. I put an electrical box over the outside fan so it would vent up to the window. It was just to get me by until I could get this thing fixed. But I'm so glad to get rid of that, because that thing sure was ugly sitting there. Thanks all for listening. Have a good one, and I hope this helps. Bye.